Actor Saif Ali Khan to walk out of the hospital in just a short while. Our colleagues are on the ground now. We are told any time now Saif Ali Khan will be discharged. All the formalities have been completed. The doctors have confirmed that from their side, all the medical formalities that needed to be done, the paperwork, and all of that has been cleared. Kareena Kapoor Khan, his wife, had come to visit him a short while ago. She's also left for the residence. Now, he will be shifted to possibly not the residence where the attack happened, where meanwhile the security is being tightened as well. But they will be shifting temporarily to another property of the family in Mumbai itself. But remember, there will be a lot of questions and checks that they'll want to do here on about what here on life needs to become after the nightmare that was witnessed on 16 January night, 2 a.m. to find an armed intruder close to children, to confront him, receive injuries, and now to be able to walk back with the family members. Mustafa Sheikh is at the Lilavati Hospital. Anita Brito is joining me from Saif Ali Khan's residence. Mustafa, first to you. What is the situation and sentiment around at Lilavati Hospital right now? When are we expecting the actor to be discharged? Take us through the area.
Well, yes, Pooja, since morning we have seen that policemen have been in and out Lilavati Hospital, but now if you see inside the hospital, there are a lot of policemen present. Anytime soon, Saif Ali Khan will come out, and comprehensive security arrangements have been made so that his convoy can pass through from the hospital to his house. Remember that we have seen that different security apparatus like police, private security have been in and out this Lilavati hospital since morning. The Khans have been caught, unaware with the security apparatus when this accused has, stricken and when he has, attacked Saif Ali Khan. But now it seems that Saif Ali Khan and his family are taking appropriate measures for his security. So we are just getting to see that those security people are getting ready, and in some time we are told that Saif Ali Khan will come out of Lilavati Hospital. He will wave at his fans before leaving for his house. This will be the first time Saif Ali Khan will be seen since the time of attack. People really want to see how he is looking like, whether he can walk, whether he'll be on a wheelchair, whether he's looking weak or he's looking normal. Because we are told that doctors have advised him bed rest. He'll not resume work just after reaching the house, but he'll be on bed rest for some days. As of now, we have not seen, but many people present outside Lilavati Hospital are waiting to see one glimpse of Saif Ali Khan. Back to you.
Mustafa, stay on with me because Anita Brito is also joining me from Saif Ali Khan's residence. Anita, which residence are you at right now? And is Saif Ali Khan and his family likely to be moving there or to another property?
Right now I'm at Sadhguru Sharan, where Saif Ali Khan resides with Kareena Kapoor and the two kids. Remember the family, with them, even the staff, 3 nannies, the other staff, male staff members also reside here. Let me take you to the place that's likely going to be, where Saif will be moved to and he will recover there. That's Fortune Heights, where Saif and Kareena got married, and post that they had moved to Sadhguru Saran is just across away from Sadhguru Saran. It's just opposite Sadhguru Saran. It's a it's a standalone building. It's a huge building where they reside. So there is high possibility that the entire family have decided to take Saif there and help him recover there, because again, like Mustafa said, Saif has been asked to for bed rest at least for 2 to 3 weeks. So he's not going to be working. He's going to be on complete bed rest. And since at Sadhguru Saran there are a lot of investigations still pending, forensic experts are still coming in and out of the society. Hence, this decision has been taken by the family.
What a nightmare, clearly, for the family, and to be surviving that and how they will take this ahead. But for now, he is recovering well, and the actor is heading back home with his family and 2 little boys. And many are saying how a real-life hero also became a real-life hero. But a lot here on in the days to come, a bed rest, and perhaps what next will be a statement. Will there be a press conference from Saif Ali Khan? I want to thank our colleagues Mustafa and Anita for now.